I am gonna sit outside just to give it a little more heat, but don't sit out too long if you do it, okay? I'm doing it because it's kind of cold in my house. It's been about 23 minutes and I'm probably going to reapply soon. And I'm going to flip it. You know, it's really hard to see because this is a charcoal lightener. So I'm just gonna kind of mush it around a little bit. Definitely think I'm seeing yellow, which is fine, which is normal. And we're applying a little bit more. And we're gonna fold that baby right back up. I'm really hoping my hair does not get gummy. Because you don't wanna know the volume that I'm using. It is time. Okay, let's rinse that. Oh, I feel like the ends are a little gummy. Definitely golden, which is kind of ironic because I didn't even realize the shirt I was wearing. But we are gonna tone this and let's see what I can do. So I know I was gonna tone it, but then I was like, well, why not just one more time? But only for a little bit. Only for a little bit. I mean, because I just feel like I'm like so close. I'm so close. Or it could be disaster, you know. Now, normally, I would say live with that yellow, get a good toner on it, use purple shampoo, and then your next visit, next, you know, bleaching, wait at least 4 to 6 weeks, and then do this. But I'm a hairstylist, you know, like, it is what it is. It's one strand. I'm willing to risk it. Let's see.